Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Device to Motorola Edge for the Ultra. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and tapping on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, select Open. Now, in order to use this app, you need to click on I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. After that, do exactly the same on the other smartphone. Now, on Motorola Edge, you need to choose Receive. And on Motorola Device over here, Send at the bottom left corner. After that, click on all of those dots on your Motorola smartphone and choose Send over here. This way, as you can see, you can select all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go into Photos, select only one, choose Send over here and tap on Got It in the pop-up. Now on Motorola Edge, select Yes I agree or No thanks and close this window. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here instead and tap on Receive. Either way, as you can see after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!